Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use parental control in BeReal. So you need to understand that BeReal has a limited built-in parental control, so you must use device level settings on other apps to manage its uses. So you can use the app's built-in feature like turning off location, sharing, blocking user, and reporting inappropriate content to manage your child's experiences. Similarly, for a broader control, you could use your device's screen time settings or dedicate parents control app to set a limit in the monitor uses as well. So basically it does not have a limit, or basically it does not have such feature, so you need to enable it accordingly or use a third-party tool that can help you out, or it can act as a parental control as an alternative. So basically you could also set the accounts to only me, or maybe make changes with your privacy settings. So click the gear icon and go to privacy section, and here you could go ahead and make changes accordingly. And next, what you could also do is you can also go ahead and look for other options as well, and accordingly you could go ahead and make changes with your settings. So this way you can be able to use parental control and BeReal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.